There are times where you just want to take a break from your Instagram account and you do not want to have many interactions. You don't want people to interact with you. It could be many reasons. One thing, you could be harassed or bullied. That's what's written in the documents by Instagram anyways. So if this happened to you, you might want to limit interactions from other people to your Instagram account. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. So before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more content like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can limit interaction from other people to your Instagram account. Let's go. Let's limit people from interacting with you in Instagram. So now click on bottom right, which is your profile. Click on the top right, which is the three lines, the burger icon. Then you scroll all the way down. You should be able to see how others can interact with you. There's this thing called limit interactions. So click on it. Alright, there's a few things that you need to know about the limit interactions. Okay, so account that you choose to limit can still comment on your posts and reels, but their comment will be hidden unless you approve them. Any new chat or messages will go to hidden requests in the message request folder so that you won't see the messages as well. You can choose to ignore or review these comment and messages before you approve them or you want to read them. Okay, this is again very helpful if you're being harassed or you just do not want people to disturb you. Okay, the comments that they made, right, will still remain hidden even after you turn it off. Okay, when you turn off these tools, and that's it. So what you can do now is there's a few options here. Once you click on that, you can see limit interaction with people who are bothering you. So what will be limited, you can click on this. There's two options. There's some interaction and most interaction. So some interaction you still can be tagged, can mention and things like that. Just the comments and chats will be hidden. But for most interaction, that means nearly everything will be limited. So they cannot really disturb you. Okay, click done. Who will be limited? So you can see that there's a few options here. Everyone but your close friends, recent followers or accounts that don't follow you. So now there's a few things that you can choose. But the moment you click this one, this is the most stringent limitation. When you click on this, then you can see that the rest all will automatically turn off. Right? You just turn off whichever that you feel like is harassing you, or you just do not want to hear from these people, turn it off, click done. And then we will remind you to turn this off, click on it. So what happened is that the max for this is 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, they will ask you to whether to turn this off or to turn it on again. So there's a few limitation here. So sometimes you just want to get off for like 1 week or 4 weeks, up to you. Just click done. And then after that, just click turn on and that's it. Alright. To turn off is the same thing, just go to same place, limit interaction and click turn off. People cannot see the difference, but you will feel the difference because everything will need your approval and review before it can be gone through. Hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share and have not subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.